On this episode of Trekking Beyond, I'll be traveling to Dali in Yunnan province, China. I'll be staying in Dali Old Town, also known as Dali Ancient City. Dali Ancient City is one of the most ancient towns in China. This beautiful place is filled of historic sites and traditional culture. I spent an amazing week here, wandering the streets, admiring the traditional buildings, eating the local street food, and exploring the outside surroundings. Some famous spots to visit include the three pagodas of Changshan Temple, the Changshan Temple itself, Erhai Lake, and the famous Changshan Mountains, which are a sight to be seen from anywhere in Dali Ancient City. Okay, we were just walking down that street, climbed up this little hill, and we wanted to see what's up here. It's just like a nice view of the mountain range. It's a bit cloudy today. It was really windy yesterday. Over there tonight, every Saturday, at 6, somewhere over there, there's like big tables, and people cook food and stuff and just put it on the table and you can eat for free. Like, I don't know if I believe that or not, but I guess we'll find out. So, trying to find the food. Well, a bit early, it starts at 6, so
enjoy.
Thank you. So I got like some Tibetan beer. She's explaining me won like some kind of award in Europe, like a high star. So I'm gonna try it now. Why not? Okay, so this concept is you need like 8 people at one table in order to try and have this free food. So we're looking for like a table with like that we can make an 8 table, but it's not really working out here. Right, so this lady just brought a whole bunch of food here for us to try and eat. Nice. It's all free. Lucky enough to try this for free. So, okay, so there's 60% homemade distilled, what would you call it, vodka or?
I call it vodka because it's got flavor because it's from gin and absinthe.
Okay.
And when you mix it with punch, it doesn't matter.
And this is the punch here, apple punch, right?
Yeah, and spices.
And he means I'm gonna get pretty fucked up from this.
This is the Canada Winter Special.
Canada Winter Special, all right. Flour cake. Which one is good, do you know? This one.
Just try the original one.
What's inside of it? Nothing?
Rose petals.
Rose petals. Rose petals. Okay.
That's matcha.
Matcha, yeah, I know that.
Mustard?
Really? Mustard?
Yeah.
And
And the purple potato.
Ah, that looks good too. This is called arquar.
哎，哪个是腐乳啊？ 这个吧。
这个他们接受不了。
What is that made from? Do you the
啥呀？各种
this
酱。
thing? Do you
那
know?
个酱，啊 That's rice.
This is made from rice. Okay, that's rice.
Oh, there's a little meat in it, like a
Oh.
little bit of mincemeat.
Okay, okay.
Mincemeat, peanuts, bean sprout. I think. Well, that's it.
It's like a Chinese burrito.
Yes.
If you can put it that way, I guess. My next destination is Erhai Lake. I wanted to rent a motorbike and explore some of the surroundings around the lake. Erhai Lake is one of the 7 biggest freshwater lakes in China and the 2nd largest highland lake in China. The lake's area is 250 square kilometers and is 1,972 meters above sea level. The name Erhai in English translates to ear-shaped sea and is a very famous lake in China. While exploring Erhai Lake, you will notice it has spectacular natural scenery, rich cultural attractions, temples, and traditional villages. Some of the most popular ways to see the lake are by bicycle, motorbike, or renting a car. I would recommend renting a motorbike. My hostel offered motorbike rentals for a reasonable price. It's not difficult to get to Erhai Lake from Dali Ancient Town. Once you are on the bike, it's about a 10-minute scoot to the lake. You can do a one-day ride along the west bank. This is about 46 kilometers and it will take you most of the day while stopping and exploring around. There is also a 2-day circuit which is about 128 kilometers. While riding this circuit, you can enjoy the villages, the traditional culture, and many restaurants along the way. Taking a motorbike or bicycle is an enjoyable way to explore historical sites along Erhai Lake. You can stop along the way and choose from many places to stay overnight and then continue your journey the next day.